I'm not gonna lie. Whew. It is rough this morning. We were out drinking till the bar kicked us out. They wanted to go home. Ugh. Whew. So we went to bed around what, midnight? 1 a.m. and it's now up at 6, had breakfast. It's now 7 on the nose, and we're gonna go ride street bikes today. Yesterday it was dirt, also all my gear is messy, gotta wash all of it. And now there's light outside, which is nice, good for the camera, because this morning when I woke up there was nothing. Alright, so this is the resort. Probably saw it on my other camera, I don't know what I've edited or posted by now, but it's really nice. Okay, so we're on the new street triple. Look at those lights, it's like LED, got the little, looks like she's frowning at you. Hell yeah. Some nice tires, my favorite tires, Super Corsa SPs. No heated grips. Oh, same ride mode. Okay, so what's the modes here? Sport, track. I hear you vlogging, I'm trying to vlog, and you're messing me up. Oh my god. Jeez Louise. God. Yeah, damn vloggers. Goddamn vloggers. Oh yeah, this is gonna be nice. It's gonna be really nice. Oh yeah, that sounds like a triple right there. So nice screen, nice handlebars, very comfortable bike. It's awesome. Oh yeah, this is home. This is like home. Yesterday was like okay, but this is like I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. I'm like, I know how to ride this. Yeah. All right, so we're finally out. It's an early start today. We have the flight. That's a new discovery. It looks so different. Anyways, we got a flight at 11. No, the bus at 11:30 for my flight at 2. So today we're like rushing. Oh, it has a quick shifter. She's nice. She is nice. Oh man, she's quick. She is quick. Oh, look at this guy's plate. It says little car. He wouldn't be incorrect. It is a little car. It's so light. Like this is my favorite style of bike, guys. Sit up nakeds, like you guys know that. That's what I ride. Same dash layout as the Tiger. Oh, traction control. Hey, okay. Even on track? Can't do a clutch up on track mode? I'm gonna go into rider. It looks like probably turn off traction control entirely, but whatever. They don't want to do wheelies this trip, so I'll do it later, get in trouble, get sent home. It is a little nipply this morning, 55 Fs, so that's 10 degrees. It's a little nipply. Alright, so last night was so much fun. We sat there and talked to a bunch of people, which was awesome. Then we started like going down their bourbon list, and one of the gentlemen I'm with, he's like a connoisseur of bourbon, so he's telling me what to drink, how to drink it. So I had some bourbons neat, and then I had some old fashions, and oh man, it was great. Drank way too much though. Like this is rough right now. I'm not gonna lie, this is rough. I'm gonna be passed out on the plane snoring, pissing off all my neighbors, so that's just the way that's gonna be. And that's okay. I got a little 3-inch wheelie right there. I'm going to jail. I'm going to Triumph jail there, big guy. You made it. Hell yeah. We thought you were dead. Oh no. I was eating breakfast at like 6:20. Dude, that was rough this morning though, not gonna lie. Yeah, I was doing alright. That was rough. Oh, I'm still rough right now. There's so many Triumphs here, it's crazy. We got the off-road crew over there. That's what the ones we did yesterday. And then we got the street crew here. Everyone's getting their Instagrams.
It's like a $100 adapter, right?
It's 80 bucks.
Yeah, well, that's US, so 200 bucks in Canada probably. This thing sounds good. It would sound better with a nice, you know, good old can on there, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, buddy, I got a little wheelie there. We're going to jail! No, it's snow in Arizona? There is! Hey! I know snow. Oh yeah, this is so light, this bike. I like it. There we go. Well, for a big truck, it might be a lot. This is beautiful out here. Look at this, Arizona. First time really in Arizona, so this is fun. Border checkpoint. Are you an American? No. Guys, I'm done for. I'm in the United States illegally. It's so funny. So we're at the rider meeting yesterday, and they said, "Who's not a U.S. citizen?" I put my hand up. There's like 2 or 3 of us here that are, out of the whole group that are not American citizens. And they're like, "Yeah, just say you're an American." I was like, "That's not how this works. I'm not going to say I'm an American because they're going to check me, and I'm not. You know, like I'm going to be a Canadian." So I lied to a border agent, but they're telling me to say that I. Uh-oh. Yeah, Border Patrol. Yeah. You know, I don't think we have anything like that in Canada. We don't have like, we have border agents obviously at the border, but I don't think we have like inland border stuff like that. Yeah, why is he honking? That's weird. All I hear on my camera is "Meow." Oh, this is so nice out here. Ow. This guy's throwing rocks. I just got a rock right in the neck. Oh, this is cool, man. This is way better than yesterday's ride. Yesterday was all messed up with that accident, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm gonna go over here. Some nice lighting out here, brother. I'm gonna do some Instagramming, Snapchatting, FaceTubing, you know.
No hitting cars this time, right?
What? Jake's yelled in my ear. What?
No hitting cars this time, right, Mr. Tribble?
Oh. Oh, I see.
We should take a selfie for sub D.
We just did some photos now. They do just like the last event we did. They'll sit on the side and they'll just do like rolling shots. So we're just going around through like this, and then so we come here, go there. See, here's the guy right here. See, they're just gonna do some photos, and that's all we do with like the press ride stuff. So they get like motion shots with like the mountain in the background. And the only complaint I have with this bike is the lack of power, and that's just coming from a Super Duke. So I'd go for the Speed Triple, the big boy. That's the only complaint. It's so fun to ride, it's so nimble, so light. But once you get spoiled with that Super Duke, you know, like I got a hyper naked power, like you want everything to have that power, right? So that's my only complaint, and that's just because it's not even a complaint, to be honest. But yeah, do it for the gram.